Welcome to one of the most exciting developments in renewable energy, the world's largest CO2-based heat pump now operational at the port of Esbjerg in Denmark. This groundbreaking technology is setting a new standard for sustainable heating solutions and is part of a larger global push towards decarbonizing our infrastructure. Today, we're diving into the science, technology, and impact of this innovative system that is powering 25,000 homes and reducing CO2 emissions by 120,000 tons annually. This 70 megawatt heat pump, developed by Swiss company MAN Energy Solutions, harnesses renewable energy sources to extract heat from seawater and nearby wind farms. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's take a closer look. First, the heat pump uses CO2 as a refrigerant, an important innovation that sets it apart from traditional systems. CO2 is not only safer and more sustainable than other refrigerants, but it also has a much lower global warming potential, making it ideal for a project aimed at reducing emissions and supporting our transition to a greener future. The process works like this. The heat pump extracts heat from seawater, compresses the CO2 to a high pressure state, and then releases that heat for use in heating homes and buildings. This system is capable of producing 280,000 megawatt hours of climate-neutral heat annually, enough to power the heating needs of 25,000 households. But this system isn't just about heat. The heat pump is part of a broader, integrated solution, combining multiple renewable energy sources for maximum efficiency. Along with the heat pump, there's a 60 megawatt wood chip boiler powered by sustainably sourced wood chips and a 40 megawatt electric boiler to manage peak demand and ensure backup heating when needed. This dynamic combination allows the system to adjust to fluctuations in energy demand, making it not only environmentally friendly but incredibly resilient. The integration of these various energy sources ensures that heating demand is consistently met without relying on fossil fuels. What's even more impressive is the ability of this system to quickly balance power demand. This is crucial for supporting intermittent energy sources like wind and solar, which can fluctuate depending on weather conditions. Traditionally, refrigerants used in heat pumps and air conditioning systems have had a high global warming potential. But by using CO2, this heat pump significantly lowers its environmental impact. CO2 is a naturally abundant, non-toxic, and non-flammable refrigerant that contributes to a safer and more sustainable heating solution. Another cutting-edge feature of this system is the use of oil-free, hermetically sealed HOFIM motor compressor units. These units use high-speed motors and active magnetic bearings, eliminating the need for oil and reducing maintenance requirements. The result is a more efficient, reliable system with fewer disruptions, ensuring the heat pump continues running smoothly. Additionally, the system is equipped with advanced monitoring capabilities. Remote monitoring, data analytics, and diagnostics ensure that the heat pump operates at peak efficiency, making maintenance quick and easy. This level of integration makes the system not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable in the long run. This CO2-based heat pump doesn't just represent a technical achievement, it's a model for other cities and regions looking to decarbonize their heating systems. Urban areas where heating demand is high are perfect candidates for this kind of technology. By adopting similar systems, cities can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, mitigate the effects of climate change, and create more resilient communities. The success of this project is a crucial step forward in the global effort to decarbonize our infrastructure. The integration of renewable energy sources, the use of CO2 as a refrigerant, and the advanced engineering behind this system make it a blueprint for the future. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, innovations like this offer real solutions. The world's largest CO2-based heat pump is proving that sustainable technology can meet our heating needs while reducing emissions. And as more cities around the world begin to adopt this technology, the path toward a cleaner, greener future becomes clearer. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to share your thoughts on this incredible breakthrough in renewable energy.